In this session, we'll be taking a look at simple interest, and the simple interest formula is I is equal to P times R times T, where I is the interest, P is the principal, R is the rate. So remember, when you're changing your percentage to a decimal, you must remove your percent symbol and move the decimal 2 places to the left. And then we have T, which is the time. And most important about the time, the time has to be in years. In this example, we're asked to find the simple interest earned if $9,000 were invested at a rate of 4% annually for 2 years. So again, that simple interest formula is I is equal to P times R times T. The principal is going to be $9,000. The rate is 4%. So we're going to change 4% to a decimal. So we must remove the percent symbol and move the decimal 2 places to the left. And our time must be expressed in years, so our time is 2. So we have I is equal to 9,000 times 0.04 times 2. So we should have a simple interest of $720.